Listen, I don't have a lot of time. I'm at work right now, and my boss thinks I'm in the bathroom.
You're hiding in a stairwell, aren't you?
Yes. How did you know?
We hear that a lot. So, you're having trouble with adulting.
Yes. It's my student loans. I don't know if I'm ever going to get them paid off.
We hear that a lot too.
You do?
Sure, 40 million Americans have student loan debt. You're far from alone.
Well, that makes me feel a little better.
In fact, most people take about 20 years to pay off their student loans.
Well, that makes me feel terrible. This is just so depressing and confusing. I don't have time for this right now. I have to get back to work.
Whoa, wait a minute. The good news is that it's possible to pay off your student loan debts a lot sooner. All you need is 15 seconds to go to cometfi.com and type in how much student loan debt you have.
And then what? They just pay it off for me? I don't have to write that big fat check every month?
You still have to write that check every month, but it could be a lot skinnier.
Maybe when I have a better job.
Why wait when you can start saving by next month? Comet takes the guesswork out of the whole process. They'll show you the best deals based on your specific needs, and all you have to do is pick one. It takes about 15 minutes to apply online. You can save up to $20,000. That's like making more than $1,000 a minute.
Okay, well, I could make time for that.
You can even do it during your lunch break. Or a bathroom break.
Oh, yeah, I have to get back to work. Thanks.
Hey, don't forget to go to cometfi.com. But wash your hands first. Go to cometfi.com and see how much you can save.